Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We've got another follow-up great recipe to your corn dog, your sushi corn dog.
Right.
We're going to make sushi tacos.
Yeah, last time we used only tail parts, so today we're going to use the claw
Okay.
parts. So these two parts. First I'm going to take it out from the body, and first I'm going to cook this one.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to bring some hot water.
Okay.
Just cook 100% and cook first.
Okay.
More thicker.
Ooh.
Hi.
Here are those hands. Like I said, they need to be registered. They are deadly weapons.
No nerve here. Right.
So if you went to Joe's Stone Crab, you could crack those claws easily too, huh?
On the table, right? No, stone crab is very dangerous. This is today's ingredients. So I took off the meats out, claw meats, and masago, scallion, bean sprout, cilantro, and lettuce. And I'm gonna use some rice and seaweed. And then sauce is soy glaze, spicy mayo, and sriracha. Yeah.
Okay, Hiro.
Okay, let's start to put it together.
Okay.
So today is a sushi taco. So we are not going to using tortilla, right? Tortilla seeds.
Yeah.
Usually fried up and then making shape, make it like this, and stuff inside. But
Okay.
today we're gonna do a sushi rice. I'm gonna put a little more longer seaweed. And this time I have another tool. This is called B tool.
V2.
B, the B tool. Okay, here. Okay. Then this time I go like this. Then straight down.
Okay. Good luck, Hiro.
Right?
You're venturing where no man has gone before.
Yeah.
Your tool work, Hiro. The V tool.
B tool. The B tool.
You better put a patent on this.
Right?
That's only you can use it, or you can sell it. Sell the idea.
Look at this. And then I'm gonna take it out this one, right? Like
Okay.
now. Go like that. Yeah.
Your V tool.
B tool.
Oh, you're throwing it away.
Yeah. No pattern. Oh yeah, that's good. That's perfect. Now I can totally take it off this stuff. Oh, yeah. Anyway, it's very hot. Careful. Yeah, perfect, right?
Mm-hmm. Looks good.
You wanna keep this one here, like that. Gonna mix with my special spicy mayo and scallion and a little bit of masago. Mix it up. For one, we're gonna do a couple of cilantro. So, okay, first do a little bit of lettuce on the bottom. Alright, and the lobster meat.
Oh, this actually looks really good, Hiro. Can you imagine with the crunchiness of the rice? Spicy lobster.
Spicy lobster here. Then bean sprout a little bit.
Yeah.
Crunchy bean sprout. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of this one actually.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you have that thing, it's more easier to even put this one here.
Yeah, looks good like that too.
Yeah, hopefully the company is not gonna broken. Yeah,
great idea.
That shape, find this one, the metal one.
Your little thing
and,
worked.
Whatever, restaurant depot or something.
Right.
They have these things. I don't know how they're called, but
Yeah.
making the shape.
Taco maker, I guess.
Taco maker or something? Yeah.
Something like that.
That's much easy.
Well, thank you so much. Yeah. If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you very soon.
Yeah.
Again, thanks
See
for
you
the
next time.
ideas. See you. Bye-bye. Okay, here we go. Hiro-san.
Yes.
Can't believe we made this.
Yeah.
Well, I can't believe you made it.
Made that. I don't know. Well, I should have called this is a taco or try to make a taco, you know.
Yeah.
But it's not exactly big, but
Give it a try. Let's see what you think.
it's pretty crunchy. Though.
Yeah. It's like a
Oh,
tortilla
look at
shell.
this.
Oh, yeah.
Crunchy sound.
I would
Okay.
eat that all day long.
Right.
Okay.
Let's go. Why should we eat 2 bites from here?
Crunchy, huh?
After
The rice.
rice is good.
A
I
little
thought more
crunchy.
like oily or something, you know. Well,
Looks great.
yeah, really not bad.
Looks like the perfect mix of mayo and lobster and the rice crunchiness, the texture of that. Sounds like a winner. Well, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of that.
Thank you very much.
See you guys soon. Thank you.